Hi, this is Connie from Connie George Travel Associates bringing you Connie's Travel Minute. I recently discussed about how it's illegal to curse in some countries and islands. Well, when traveling, I also suggest that you leave your camouflage at home. And this could be camo clothing, hats, tote bag, anything at all that has camo on it, leave it at home. Why? Because there are a lot of countries in which it's illegal for anyone who is not in the military to wear camo, and they are serious about it. Breaking that law can result in fines or arrests depending on the country. Now, I do have a list of countries, but note that it's subject to change, so I'm not going to guarantee this will always hold true. But the countries that it's currently illegal in that I have a list of are Antigua and Barbados, Dominica, Ghana, Grenada, Jamaica, Nigeria, Oman, the Philippines, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Trinidad and Tobago, Uganda and Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Please just leave the camo at home and make sure if your kids are doing some of their own packing that they don't take any either. Do not ruin your vacation and possibly your life over fabric. Okay. To book your next cruise or tour, complete with tips that we can help you out with, and so that you have a great time, contact me at Connie@cgta.com, at Connie George Travel Associates. Take care. Hi, this is Connie from Connie George Travel Associates bringing you Connie's Travel Minute. I recently discussed about how it's illegal to curse in some countries and islands.